Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So ever since I moved to Hawaii a couple weeks ago, I've been getting so many questions about what I've been eating here on a regular basis. I'm sure you guys know Hawaii is well known for its fresh fruit, so I've definitely been taking advantage of all the fresh produce here. Because I'm at my internship every day until 1, I really don't eat any kind of big lunch. I just kind of have like snacks throughout the afternoon, and by snacks I mean healthy snacks. So usually just like almonds or a piece of fruit. But before we get started, I did just want to say be sure to go check out my Instagram page because I am currently hosting a giveaway with some aid through trade bracelets. These things are beautiful, and for every bracelet sold, it benefits a woman in Nepal. They're amazing, and I'm giving away 2 sets of them. So if you want a chance to win these, be sure to just go check out the post on Instagram. And the other thing I want to mention is be sure that you have your post notifications turned on. I know there's been some glitches lately, and I just want to make sure that you guys are always getting notified of my recent uploads. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so typical breakfast for me, I've been loving oatmeal lately, and I feel like sometimes just having a big bowl of fresh fruit for breakfast can like not be filling, or maybe if you're low on fruit, this is just a good option because you can just take a packet of oatmeal, and then all I put in here was 2 strawberries, and I just cut them up really finely so I had a bunch, and half a banana, and then I just sprinkled some cinnamon on top. And I always have my iced coffee with it. But yeah, this is actually really filling. This definitely will keep me full until about noon, and it's literally 6:30 in the morning right now. Hey guys, so it is 2:16 right now. I got home from work like 30 minutes ago and just laid down for a second. And now I'm up and I'm gonna have some lunch. I just got this from a farmer's market the other day, but it came with this like sweet and sour looking sauce, so I'm just gonna put it on there. It's pretty good. I still don't really know what this is that I'm eating. These are definitely carrots, but I'm not really sure what the green stuff is. You guys, I finally got my nails done. It only took me like 3 weeks. I got them done this like crazy bright corally pink color, and I'm obsessed. I usually get light pink, so this is such a big difference. But it is currently 5:15. So instead of eating like a big lunch, I usually would just have like a bag of almonds and a banana at work, and then I'll have an early dinner. One thing I was gonna say, if you guys do not incorporate quinoa in your diet, you should definitely start trying to. It's really easy. To be honest, it tastes like nothing. I don't really think quinoa has much of a taste. You can totally get it frozen and it have like stuff in it. This is what I use. I just use the white quinoa from Walmart, and like a huge bag of it. Oops, a huge bag is like $4, and this lasts a long time too. And I'll probably save half of this for later. But this has so much protein in it, and it really fills you up. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of my veggies. And this is my dinner tonight. Soy sauce isn't the best for you, but it's definitely a fun little way to add some flavor. I'll do a little bit of pepper. But yeah, here's my dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and eat outside. I've been loving just enjoying meals outside lately. Fresh air feels so good, but this is what it looks like. Good morning, guys. So I'm having a little bit of a different breakfast today. I'm someone that always preaches just to listen to your body. I've been eating a ton of oatmeal lately, and today I just was not craving that. I didn't want anything hot. So I just sliced up about half of a mango, and then I want to have something else to kind of make this more filling. So I'm gonna have a bunch of almonds, and then I'll probably bring maybe like an apple and eat that on my way to work. So this is breakfast today. Oh my gosh, I'm about to eat a piece of this. It's gonna be so good. So good. So for dinner tonight, I'm kind of just cooking up a bunch of random stuff I have. I have some cucumbers, some peppers, some carrots, and some tomatoes. And then I think I'm gonna add this maybe to a bed of spinach and make it kind of like a big tossed salad. We'll see. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I wanna get these 3 cooked first, and then I'll figure it out. So I wanted to mention one thing, how I eat healthy while on a budget here. So it's so easy to eat healthy, y'all. I was able to get a pack of 3 cucumbers, and this is like half a cucumber, for what, like $2? I got a bell pepper for like $1, and I was able to use it for 3 meals. A huge bag of carrots for $2, and this is literally like 5 carrots just finely chopped up, and then a big bag of tomatoes that I can use for like 4 or 5 meals too, for super cheap. So in total, like, I'm able to cook for really cheap just because I buy food that I'm able to use for multiple meals in like very different ways so that it doesn't get boring. And also, all of these are great for snacking. I wouldn't snack on tomatoes, but like these 3, oh my gosh, so crunchy, so good. All right, now I'm gonna show you how easy it is just to put this thing all together. So I just have some leftover quinoa from the other day. I'm gonna put a good amount on there. And what's cool about eating super clean is that you can have abundant amounts of this food. So it might look like a lot of food, but it's all really healthy for you. So it's okay just to kind of like pig out on it, honestly. If you guys are watching this, looking at all these vegetables and you're like, gross, I hate vegetables. I used to hate vegetables. Like, as a kid, my mom would always try and have me eat my vegetables. I would never want tomatoes as a kid, ever. Some more of that yummy papaya salad that I have and I'm just like munching on. And then I'm gonna just do a ton of cucumber. And then I'm just going to top it off with some of this poke. I know it looks like kind of like raw chicken, but if you guys have had poke, you would know that this stuff is literally the bomb. And that is it. Super huge filling dinner that I'm gonna have tonight. And one of my favorite things to do, just to kind of add some flavor, especially to spinach, is just squeeze a bunch of lemon juice. Lemon juice always makes everything taste so good. But yeah, here it is. I'm about to go in on this. All right, so this morning I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna make a smoothie. It's been forever since I've made a smoothie because I didn't have a blender here, but I got one last night, so yay, welcome. Okay, so I'm just gonna be doing my typical smoothie. I feel like I've showed this before. Just a big handful of spinach. Yay. I kind of contemplated whether or not I should even show this because I feel like majority of you are going to be like, Adrienne, what are you eating? What is wrong with you? So I have just like a ton of stuff that I need to eat and I don't really know like how to put it all together. So what I'm doing is taking a little bit of spinach. I was thinking about cooking it, but I think I prefer spinach when it's raw. So I cooked some noodles and some carrots and tomatoes. And I'm literally gonna put it on top of this bed and it'll probably like low-key cook a little bit of it. Craving noodles, but I also didn't want to just have just noodles because it's not really the healthiest thing. So I've got my noodles and I'm just gonna add all of these veggies on top and bam, I've got myself a little half stir fry, half salad looking thing. Definitely not the prettiest dish, but me oh my, this is gonna be so good. So filling, and it's also like pretty healthy besides the noodles. How is it? Pretty good. All right, current situation, it is, what time is it? 2:07, and I think I briefly mentioned this, but I haven't really been doing a huge lunch the past couple of days just because I get off work at 1, so what I've been doing is maybe just having a little snack like a banana and almonds at 11 a.m. and then when I come home I'll have another small snack and then I'll have dinner because that way I'm not having a late lunch and that leads to a late dinner. So instead I just like to kind of munch on healthy alternatives. So I'm just cutting up some celery, cucumber, and carrots right now, and this should really hold me over until dinner time. Alright, so that is basically it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, if you have any questions, just leave them below and I will totally get back to you. Or feel free just to shoot me a message on Instagram. And don't forget to go check me out on Instagram for the chance to win some of these beautiful A through trade bracelets. Alright you guys, that's all I have for today. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!